National security relies on the expectation of absolute awareness around our critical infrastructure. We assume every movement is tracked and every anomaly is investigated. Military installations are the primary examples of this security. These are sites where unauthorized access is strictly prohibited, guarded by continuous human and electronic patrols. Flight restrictions extend to our energy grid, covering power plants and strategic facilities designed to operate under rigid, protected airspace. A massive network of human observers and electronic tracking systems enforces these zones. Control centers monitor glowing surveillance screens 24 hours a day. A series of untracked objects have begun penetrating these exact locations. Despite the sophisticated surveillance net, unidentified crafts are entering restricted zones without being successfully intercepted. Early sightings of small lights in the sky were easily attributed to ordinary civilian activity. Consumer drones have become a standard tool for photographers and hobbyists, making a light in the sky a common occurrence. Investigators noticed a shift when reports transitioned into a pattern of recurring nightly incidents. Witnesses began describing the same unusual behaviors occurring over consecutive nights. Data points now span multiple distinct regions, with clusters appearing hundreds of miles apart. These reports reveal specific tactical behaviors. The crafts execute extended flight durations while hovering directly over sensitive military and energy infrastructure. The repetition and specific location of these flights point to a coordinated, targeted operation. The first roadblock to understanding these incursions is the unreliability of the human element in the investigation process. Dark environments distort the way we perceive distance, scale, and movement. Without a point of reference, a small object nearby can be easily mistaken for a large object far away. Tip lines are frequently flooded with misidentifications. Ordinary phenomena like satellites, bright stars, and commercial aircraft produce light streaks that can appear anomalous to an untrained observer. Visual witness testimony alone cannot serve as actionable intelligence in airspace defense. Electronic sensors face their own limitations. Advanced military radar hardware is built with specific engineering constraints. Standard defense systems are optimized for large, high-speed threats. They are designed to filter out smaller, slower objects, to keep the screens clear of birds and weather interference. This diagram compares radar cross-sections. A commercial aircraft reflects a massive signature, while a small drone produces a negligible reflection that systems ignore. Drones also utilize low-altitude flight paths, operating underneath standard scanning angles. This creates a geographical loophole, remaining entirely undetected by ground sensors. Advanced security perimeters possess physical, exploitable gaps that accommodate small drone platforms by design. The third roadblock is the total absence of the human operators required to command these vehicles. Prolonged drone operations require a clear physical footprint, including launch sites, recovery zones, and transport vehicles. Rapid response ground teams have repeatedly failed to locate any physical trace of the pilots during an incursion. Despite scouring the surrounding areas, investigators find no abandoned equipment or nearby vehicles. The total absence of a physical ground footprint elevates the profile of the suspects to highly organized professionals. These persistent drone flights have exposed foundational blind spots in our national security infrastructure. Disciplined human observation is essential to bridge the gaps in our electronic hardware. The first step is establishing a static reference point. Keeping a building or a tree line in the frame allows analysts to calculate the object's actual speed and altitude. The second step is recording exact times and directions while avoiding digital zoom. Zooming in destroys the contextual scale needed to identify the craft. Finally, documented sightings must be cross-referenced with commercial flight trackers. This process immediately eliminates civilian air traffic noise from the investigation. Airspace incursions remain an active, unsolved issue as new reports continue to accumulate around our critical infrastructure facilities. Until the technological gaps are closed, unidentified entities will continue to operate freely in the spaces we fail to watch.
Some stories should never be uncovered.